In this video, let's understand how we can install MongoDB on a Windows machine. So here, let's search for MongoDB download. Okay. And here, let's click on the first link. So this is the link mongodb.com/try/download/community. Once you are at this link, then what you can do here, you will find the which version you want to download. So I will be downloading the current version, that is 8.2.6. And here I will select my platform because I'm using a 64-bit Windows machine. So I will select 64. But if you are using any other operating system, then you can select your operating system from here. And here I'm selecting the package, that will be the MSI package. That is basically the installer. I will click on download here, and it should download this .msi file on my system. So the download has been completed. Let me open this file now. So it is giving me one warning saying it is an executable. Do I want to open this? Yes, I want to open this. I will click on OK here, and it will start the installation process. I will click on next here. I will accept the terms and license agreement. I will click on next again. I will select complete installation, and I want to run this as a service, and I want to run this as a network service user. Okay, and this will be the data directory, and this is the log directory. Let's keep everything as default and click on next. So I don't want to install MongoDB Compass, so I will uncheck this and I will click on next, and I will click on install. So the installation process has started now. Let's wait for this to complete. Okay, so the installation has been completed. Now let's click on finish. Now let's verify if the installation has been completed properly or not. So I will open my command prompt and I will type MongoD. So MongoDB, MongoD, and I will say -- version. Hit enter. I'm not able to run this particular command because we need to add the installation path in our environment variables. Let me show you that. So first, let's get the path where the MongoDB has been installed. So let's open our file explorer, and here open C drive and look for program files. And here you need to look for MongoDB. So I have this MongoDB here. Let's go to server and open this 8.2 folder and open the bin folder. So this basically is the path. So I will copy this and I will again open my environment variables. So edit environment variables, and I will open the path variable here. So I'm selecting the system variables and I'm selecting the path. Okay, I'm not getting the edit option because I need to open this in admin mode. So let me close this and open this again. I will open edit the system environment variables. Okay. This time I will click on environment variables, and this time when I click on path, you can see these buttons are enabled. I will click on edit, and at the end, or I can click on new here and I can paste the path where we have our MongoDB installed. I will click on OK here, again click on OK, and finally click OK here also to apply the changes. Now let's close our command prompt and open it again, and again try the same command. So I will say mongo d -- version. Okay, and now I'm able to get the version of my database. So this is 8.2.6, right? So our installation has been completed properly. And I can also check if I also have the Mongo shell or not. So to check if I have the Mongo shell or not, what I can do, I can just run mongo sh. Sh stand for shell -- version. If I hit enter, so I'm not able to run this command. So the Mongo shell is not installed. Let's install the Mongo shell also. So let's go to our browser and here search for Mongo shell download. Okay, here click on the first link, right? So here I have this option to download the Mongo shell. I will click on download here. It will download it in a zip format. Let's open the downloads folder. Here we have our zip file. Let's right click on this and click on extract all. Here we have this binary folder. Let's open the binary folder. Here we have the Mongo sh. So if I open my command line here, and if I run Mongo sh -- version, I'm getting the version also, right? So Mongo shell is also available in our system. That's it for this video, guys. In this video, we have seen how we can install Mongo database on our Windows machine.